Everywhere you look, someone is claiming that AI can do your taxes, replace your accountant, or even run your business. So today I want to pull back the curtain and I'm going to show you exactly how we use artificial intelligence inside Bastion Business and Tax Services. And just as importantly, where we absolutely refuse to use it. AI is an incredible tool, but it's still just that, a tool. I'm Sherry Borshoff, enrolled agent and owner of Bastion Business and Tax Services, where we help you build a fortress around your business. Before we begin, I want to make one thing very clear. AI has made me faster, and it has made my team more efficient. It has helped us improve communications, but it has not replaced professional judgment. In fact, the better AI gets, the more valuable good judgment becomes. That's because clients don't hire me to type, they hire me to think. Number one, I use it as a research tool. The first way I use AI is to help me begin research. If I need to understand a new issue, compare several code sections, or organize complicated information, AI is an excellent starting point. But here's the important part. I never stop there. I verify everything. I confirm the authority. I read the Internal Revenue Code, the Treasury Regulations, IRS publications, revenue rulings, and even the court cases. In professional research, I am the end point. AI saves me time getting started. It does not replace the research. Number two, I use it in drafting client communications. I send a lot of emails, and AI helps me organize my thoughts and improve grammar. It also helps simplify complicated tax concepts. So sometimes I'll dictate an email and ask AI to make it more professional and or more clear. But every message is reviewed by me. Because clients deserve communication that reflects experience, not just good grammar. Number three, I use it for content creation. You're watching one of my favorite uses of AI right now. It helps me with what to say in my YouTube scripts. I generate the ideas and the facts that I want to convey, and AI helps me outline it. Of course, I often rewrite the outline so it sounds more like me, and it has aided in outlining workshops, in creating client handouts, building checklists, and developing educational materials. But notice something. Every video you watch, every opinion I express, every recommendation I give comes from my experience, not from AI. AI simply helps me organize information. It doesn't replace my voice. Number four, I use it for some administrative work. AI is wonderful at repetitive administrative tasks, such as meeting summaries, action lists, formatting documents, organizing notes, and creating first drafts. These are things that used to consume several hours every week, and now myself and my staff spend that time serving clients instead. And that's exactly where technology should help. Number five, brainstorming. Sometimes I simply need another perspective. Maybe I'm designing a client service package, creating a workshop, or building a planning checklist, or solving a workflow problem. And AI is like having someone available to bounce ideas off of 24 hours a day. Does every idea work? Oh, of course it doesn't. But it helps me think through possibilities faster. Now, here's where I draw the line, and one very important rule at Bastion before I go any further. I want to make something crystal clear. I will never place confidential client information on a public AI platform. Never. As an enrolled agent, I have an ethical duty to protect my client's information. Trust is one of the most valuable assets my firm has. No tax savings, no amount of time saved, and no convenience is worth risking that trust. When I use AI, I either work with generic examples, removing all identifying information, or use it for educational and administrative purposes that don't require client data. Your financial information belongs to you, and protecting it is part of my job. My first responsibility is confidentiality. One of the reasons clients hire Bastion is because they know their information is protected. Technology should never compromise ethics. It should strengthen the way we serve our clients while preserving the trust they placed in us. For me, confidentiality isn't just good business, it's part of building a fortress. There are several things I refuse to do in AI. I will never file a tax return using AI, and every tax return is reviewed by a human being, every time. I will never give final tax advice because tax advice is very specific, and reading it wrong could change the outcome. Confidentiality, due diligence, those responsibilities belong to me as a licensed professional, not to software. So don't call me because they need software. They call me because they need someone they trust, someone who understands their business, someone who can guide them through uncertainty. Technology can't replace relationships. Technology can't replace learning, so I will never stop learning. Perhaps my biggest concern is professionals who stop learning because AI exists, and that is dangerous. If you don't understand the tax law, you won't know when AI is wrong. And sometimes it's spectacularly wrong. The fortress philosophy at Bastion is simple. We automate the routine so we can spend more time on the remarkable. Technology should free us to become more human, not less, more valuable, more strategic, more thoughtful, and that's how you build a lasting client relationship, and that's how you build a financial fortress. The future isn't AI versus accountants. The future is accountants who know how to use AI to serve their clients better than before. Technology changes. Principles do not. Integrity does not. And wisdom is always essential. Professional judgment and wisdom are the keystones of making sure that you are using AI in the right methods. So, how do you use AI? Are you using it in your business currently? Has it saved you time? Or have you had one of those moments where AI gave you an answer that was completely wrong? Share your experience in the comments. If you find this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we help business owners build stronger businesses, lower taxes, and build a financial fortress around everything they've worked so hard to create. Again, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. I hope to see you in the next video.